Practice session task. Step 1. Create two variables and assign a numerical value to each one. Step 2. Do an arithmetic operation with the values and store the result in a new variable. Step 3. Convert the result to a string. Step 4. Create a Boolean variable that apply a relational operator between the two variables. Step 5. Use a single print statement to display the type of the converted result itself, and the Boolean value. Pause the video and spend 5 minutes to try to solve the task, then come back to see my solution. Here is my solution. Note, in this solution, the variable names x, y, z, bool and specific numeric values are arbitrary. Feel free to use your own variable names and numbers when applying these concepts to your projects. Choose meaningful names for your variables to enhance code readability. Customize the code to fit your project requirements. Experiment with different numeric values to observe how the code behaves. Understand the impact of using different relational operators for Boolean conditions. Ensure the print statement accurately reflects the type and value of the converted result and the Boolean. Don't hesitate to modify the code, make mistakes, and learn from the process. These concise notes guide viewers on what aspects to focus on and be mindful of during their practice session.